Here's a definitive list of the skincare products you need age 40 and beyond. I'm a beauty journalist with over 20 years of experience. I was beauty and health director at Vogue and I now run Beauticate. Here's my list. So when you think about 40 plus skin, you want to think about vitamins A, B and C. A being the most important because it will reverse the aging process. Then you also want to be thinking about things that will speed up the cell turnover, AHAs, BHAs. You want peptides, you want hyaluronic acids. I've put all my favorite products here that contain these ingredients. Skincare, I've got tools, I've got everything like silk pillowcases, derma rollers, and I've got a good mix of prices as well, so it's all budgets. I'll put the link to the list for you. You can shop it directly from Like to Know It, but I want you to know that I've covered off everything. I've got covered off retinols. I mean, sunscreen is so important. This is one of my favorite sunscreens. You can click right through and buy. If you're plus 40, I would really consider an LED mask and a derma roller. And also the other thing, a good tip is to actually dermaplane your face or shave your face because it will seriously take years off and makes you look 10 years younger. So all these tricks and beyond, check out the list and let me know what you think.